ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
See, after the evaluation, if we give any statement, just simply that it doesn't matter, right? We have to just prove the evaluation. So here are some evidences to prove the evaluation. So we need to definitely prove evidences for evaluation. మనం generally చెప్పేస్తే కుదరదు కదా, we need to prove it. If NAM KVS we say it's not like that, we have to give the suitable evidences to him. So there are some set of evidences here. The first one given in your book here is the homologous organs and the analogous. Homologous and analogous organs. Okay, how this evaluation has come. See, homologous organs, like homo means same. If we let us take some example like man, cheetah, any whale. So the character here, what is the forelimb? If we take the forelimb as a character to differentiate these, see all these forelimbs of man, okay, man, cheetah and whale, their origin of forelimb is same. Homo means same. They come from same origin. Origin is same. Forelimb here, forelimb here. Even the forelimb of cheetah, even the forelimb of the whale. Their point of attachment here, their origin is same here, but they had the different functions. Like man is for to grasp the food, okay, for taking the food or grasping the food, and cheetah for running purpose. Why they use the forelimb for running? Even whale, for whale, what is the use of the forelimb in whale? For swimming. So here the homologous organs means this origin of the forelimb is from the same point, but they had their own different, they had the separate function here, because their function varies from one to another. Homologous, they are the divergent. So remember like that, HD cameras, okay, H for similarity, though are they the similar origin, they function as they differently function. So that's the homologous one. And analogous, see, analogous organs, like analogous means here different, their origin is different, okay, but they function, they have the same function, okay, they have the same function, okay. So different origin, like you take a bat will have the patagium, just like a wing, the wing of the bat called the patagium, and the bird wing. See, their structure and origin is completely different here, but they had the same function. What is the same function here? Flying. So this can be considered as the evolution evidences. So this change, okay, this change might be beneficial or it may be not. Here the, as though they're here in this homologous, their origin is different but the function here, homo means they have the same organ origin but they varies in their function here. Here analogous means they have the complete different origin but their function is same. So this can be taken as the evidences to prove the evolution. So they have also some set of evidences. It's a basic one, manakandarki telusu, like basing on fossils. We can just take as example of the evidence here. So fossils are nothing but the remnants of dead organism. So manaki idi baga telusu. Okay, how we can we can just go to the videos like some TV channels advocating that with that we have seen some dinosaur skeletons like that nowadays, right? So why, as you all familiar with the dinosaur, okay, so how we came to know here by their skeleton. Enti okappudu dinosaurs unnayo annivi manaki ela telustundi basing on their fossil, not only any organism, whether any plant like imprints appudo unnavi ani manam ela cheptunnam proofs basing on their fossils. We also take as the evidence here.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Like dinosaurs. But avi ela unnayani living ani ela chava basing on their fossil, basing on their skeleton. Okay? Now can you see the dinosaur? No. So it can be taken as one example here. Ardhamoutundanana, basing on the fossil, we can also state the evolution, like okappudu dinosaurs undevi ippudu levu atla kaadu. Okay na? So basing on fossils we can illustrate this evolution. Not only any dinosaur, you can take even the example of plants, anything. Okay, unnayi ante basing on the remnants of organism we can tell it. Next, the evidences here is the embryological evidences. So embryological evidences, like whether you take embryo of anything like a bat, cat, any organisms, during their embryological state they have the same similar embryo. So the embryo is same, embryo structure or the same structure. Okay, there is no differentiation in this species. In the early stages of embryo development, any embryo looks like the same. Okay, then after that, after the embryo stage only we can find the differentiation in the organism, but during the early stages they are same. After differentiation, the shape varies here. So these are some examples, okay, to prove the evolution here. So ikkada the study of fossil is called the paleontology is the study of the fossils. So these are some set of examples, okay, to prove the evolution. Okay, and the next another one which is given in your book is the vestigial organ. Did man had any vestigial organ? Yes, appendix. while discussing the digestion, I have shown you that on the right side, okay, large intestine, you find the appendix, right? So that is the vestigial organ. So it comes, even man had the, even the mammary glands, the skin, okay, skin of the can also be taken as the vestigial. So man is a moving museum of all this vestigial organs, moving museum, okay, of vestigial organs. Who is the moving museum here? Man. Okay. So that's the end of the hereditary chapter. So certain evidences, nothing but the proofs. Okay. And the next one is the vestigial organs. Not only human being, we also have some vestigial organs with another organism also. So we can find in other organisms also. So that's about the evolution. Here your chapter completed. So what can we expect the questions from here is, from Lamarckism you can get the 2 mark answer, or it can be asked as a 4 mark. Darwinism, it can be asked as a 2 mark as well as a 4 mark answer. All these examples like evidences to prove the fossil, embryology, homologous organs, analogous organs are your 2 marks. So be prepared for that. Okay.